Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Magic V2, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my display. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture is actually visible on your screen. Once that is the case, you can hold your power button and the volume down at the same time. You'll have a pop-up right like this with share and scroll screenshot options visible. Now this scroll screenshot can be accessed or used in content that can be actually scrolled down on. Even though if I were to scroll down, it brings up the app tray right here. It doesn't really consider this to be a scrollable content on the home screen. But if you open up something like the settings, you should be able to capture a screenshot, scrollable one in here without a problem. So anyway, once you have captured your screenshot, you can then navigate to your gallery application right over here, and it should be visible under, for instance, today in the main photos tab, or by going into the albums. You should, there we go, have a screenshot album, and in here obviously you will find just screenshots that I've captured over the time. And one more thing that you can access right here in the screenshots that I've captured and photos as well is if there is some kind of text in here, for instance, like we have apps right here, and well, that's about it. We have apps and I guess a time and the search. You can actually click right here on this icon, and this allows you to select the text that is on an image and copy it and paste it, which is pretty handy. For instance, if you have some kind of documents, pictures of, for instance, bank accounts, numbers, instead of like having to type them in, you can just literally copy them from here. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.